contestants that had only been doing it for a few months. Like.
What?
Yeah, like
Are
one
you
of the
serious? I thought he didn't like.
What?
No, one of the contestants on the show has only been doing drag for like 6 months or whatever, and she made it on the show.
She's probably just really good.
No, she's like recording this way.
Dude, some of the dudes, like, well, actually, almost all of them.
Yeah, this season like there's a lot of really fun.
Yeah.
It was so sad to see that fat one go home.
No, I was fucking psyched.
But like
Dude, when he did the splits, oh my god.
I don't know.
I was so happy he left. I hated him.
I liked him, but then he just he closed up on everyone, didn't let anyone in. Hey, Doc from Chicago.
Shut up, bitch. You're...
I know.
It's just like, Cody, your sis spits out.
Like, oh yeah.